Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel and then are going to start the video. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture and then select another picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button on, adjust the picture. Select another picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button on, adjust the picture. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.